Kids, I'm Mrs. Annie from Sir Isaac Newton School. I hope you all are safe and enjoying your holidays. In addition to your enjoyments, we thought to make use of it by taking online classes. And today, I'm going to take mathematics for grade 2 CBSE. We are going to discuss about the topic lines and shapes. And today, we are going to learn what is a line and the types of a line. So, what is a line? I hope you all know how to draw a line using your pencil and ruler. But what is a line? Okay, let me discuss about it. A line can be defined as a straight figure which extends endlessly in both directions. A line can be defined as a straight figure which extends endlessly in both directions. I'll explain this with an example. Here we are having a picture, right? In this picture we are having three dotted lines. So this one is the first one, and this is the second line, and this is the third dotted line. Step 1. Trace along the dotted line on the grass to reach the biscuit. Okay. Now we are going to trace this dotted line to reach this biscuit, right? Now I'm going to help this rat to reach this biscuit. Okay, what I'm going to do is I just take this biscuit from here and I'm going to place it here, right? Then this dotted line will get extended from here to here, right? So the definition of a line is we can extend it in both the directions. If I take this rat from here and placing it here means this line, this side will get extended, right? So a line can be extended in both sides, right? This is the definition for a line. A line is a straight figure which can extend endlessly in both directions. So step 2 is trace along the dotted line to climb up the pole and reach the cheese. Now we are going to climb up the pole to reach the cheese. So I'm going to climb up the pole to reach this cheese. Now the rat is on the top of the pole, right? Step 3. Trace along the dotted line to help the rat come down. Now the rat is here, right? Now we are going to help the rat to come down. So by this way we are going to help the rat to come down by trace along this dotted line. Here we are having a question. Did the rat move along straight lines? Did the rat move along the straight line? Say yes or no. Is this a straight line or a curved line? Yeah, it's a straight line. All the three lines are a straight lines. So, all the three lines are a straight lines. Next, okay, next we are going to learn types of line. So here there are three types of lines, and now we are going to learn about types of lines. Let's see the first one. First one is a sleeping line. We can call it as sleeping line. Do you know how to sleep? Yeah, it's called a sleeping line. Let's see that. This this is called a sleeping line, or we can also call it as horizontal lines. So these lines are called sleeping lines or horizontal lines. These lines are called sleeping lines or horizontal lines. See, these lines are called sleeping lines or horizontal lines. Why we are calling it as sleeping lines? While sleeping we will be in this position, right? So we are calling it as sleeping lines or horizontal lines. Sleeping lines or horizontal lines. Next, we are going to learn about standing lines. What is that standing line? You know how to stand. So, this line is called a standing line. Yeah, this is called a standing line or a vertical line. This is called a standing line or a vertical line. This is called a standing line or vertical lines. And the third one is slanting line. What is the third one? Third type of line is slanting lines. See, this line is called a slanting line. This line is called a slanting line. What is the name of this line? This line is called a slanting line. Okay. Let us recall it again. This is called a sleeping lines or a horizontal line. This is called a sleeping line or a horizontal line. And these lines are called a standing line or a vertical line. This line is called a standing line or a vertical line, and these are called a slanting line. Today we have learned about what is a line and a types of line. Line is, what is line? Yeah, a line is a straight figure which extends endlessly on both directions. And what are the types of lines? First type, what is the first type? Yeah, it is a sleeping line or a horizontal line. And the next one is standing line or a vertical line. And the last one is slanting lines. Okay, children, please do this exercise and send it through your WhatsApp group. Thank you.